Summer has officially started at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center this year with the orientation of nearly 300 college interns.
It's my first internship, but I'm very excited for it to be at NASA of all places.
You always dream as a little kid to be at NASA, whether it's an astronaut or in a research position. It's really cool.
I'm really excited. I was kind of nervous this morning. I couldn't eat breakfast or anything.
Before taking off with their mentors, the interns shared some of their hopes for the summer.
I'm working on the data analysis software for the upcoming MMS mission.
I'm doing interpretations for Spanish-speaking audiences for the James Webb Space Telescope.
I'll be working in the optics lab, testing out telescopic lenses.
I'm just excited to get to write about all the different projects here and get to learn about all the things that are going on here.
I'm excited about working on thermal coatings on wires this summer.
Before taking off with their mentors, the interns shared some of their hopes for the summer.
I just hope I can have a good time, learn a lot, get good experience of being in the workforce.
Through my internship this summer, hopefully I'll gain some computer programming, which will be really useful for my graduate studies in the fall.
A lot of experience, a lot of connections, and just meeting new people and learning new things.
Just a really awesome experience. I hope that I learn a lot and just have an awesome time with it. Hopefully I don't mess up too much.